Hi everyone, I want to be showing you how I make my protein waffles. These are a nice and healthy snack for you to enjoy for breakfast or lunch, or a snack whenever you want. I use 4 ingredients. I use milk, eggs, baking powder and protein powder, and that's it, just to make the base for the waffles. Also use spray, don't really count that oil. Right, let's get started. Your NutriBullet or a blender, you need your waffle iron. I use the One Chef brand. It does 4 sections, it's not a round one, but I like these because they're quite deep. You can get a nice full waffle with that. Other things you're going to need is measuring jug. You can use protein shaker cup if you want, because that usually has measurements along the side. Also, you're going to need your silicone spatula. This is essential for you to spread your batter mix on the waffle iron. You can use the silicone brush used to spread the oil around the waffle iron, but it's not essential, you don't need to use that. Also knife and fork and a spoon. So once you've got everything ready, let's begin. First of all, you need your blender, and I'm going to pour 150 ml of milk. That's just 150 ml of milk, 175 if you want. Pour that into my jug. Protein powder. I use Protein. That's a vegan protein powder. I use a scoop and a half, so that's 45 grams per scoop. This protein is actually 34 grams per 45 gram serving of protein, so that's very high in protein and very low in carbs and fats. So it's a nice and healthy option to have. I don't have it because it's vegan, I have it because I like it, and it blends really well, it makes a really good batter mix. Some other proteins don't work. I've tried other brands, not as effective. I'm not going to name them. But also half a teaspoon of baking powder. Add that in. And that's it. Oh, the eggs, I can't forget the eggs. I'm just going to break 2 whole eggs. I've got small eggs, so I use 2 whole ones. You can use, if you're using large eggs, you can use 1 whole egg and 2 egg whites. Just going to break them in. It's usually best to put the eggs in first, really, just in case you get an odd shell in there. I didn't because I'm good, but you can always spoon it out before you pour the rest of the mix in. Once you pour that in, it's ready to blend. So blend it for about 15 seconds, 20 seconds. You don't want the mix to get too hot, otherwise the egg will start cooking. Now that you have that, create your batter mix. It should be a nice consistency. not too runny, not too thick. So 150ml of milk with 1.5 scoops of the protein powder and 2 eggs. So it's like a batter mix. And what you need is, what you have to do is let that rest for about 3 to 4 minutes. That's because we want to let the baking powder work and do its job. Start to make bubbles on top. That's what happens. Right now, we want to warm up the waffle iron while the batter mix is being prepared. So we'll leave that and warm up the waffle iron. Right, with my waffle iron, I've got to wait for the green light to go out, and then I know it's hot. So I'm going to wait a few minutes for that. This whole process shouldn't take more than 5 minutes from start to finish. So really, once the waffle iron's warm, I can then pour my batter mix inside after spraying it with oil, making sure that the batter mix won't stick to the waffle iron. Now that the waffle iron's warmed up, you can see that because the green light's gone off. Now to spray it with some coconut oil, that's what I like to use. Make sure it's well coated. This is only 1 calorie per spray. You can spread the oil around with this little brush. You don't have to do this if you haven't got one. It should be fine. Now that that's done, ready to pour my batter mix in. Just grab your spatula, your silicone spatula, just spread it in the bottom, just pour it all in. And just spread it out. Now, just close the lid and set a timer. Alexa, set the timer for 3.5 minutes.
4 minutes and 30 seconds. Starting now.
Alexa, stop. Now that's been 3.5 minutes. Alexa just notified me. Just turn it off. And there you have a perfect waffle.